In this video, we'll provide a high-level overview of the manufacturing module in the NM-RLD Seed-to-Cell system. To begin, log in using your registered email, address, and password. Next, enter your multi-factor authentication code when prompted, which you'll usually receive through email or text depending on the option you selected when you were first registering your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the location screen. Select the manufacturing location you want to work in. Once the location opens, you'll be brought to your inventory room screen. The summary count across the top gives you a quick snapshot of the inventory currently stored at that location. Below that, you'll see your existing inventory rooms, and you'll also have the ability to add a new inventory room. You can also search or filter your rooms, or select the room ID to view the inventory inside. Once you're inside a room, you can search and filter inventory, manage the columns being displayed, and select an inventory ID to view the item and its available actions. From the selected inventory item, you can open Manufacturing Actions to view the manufacturing processes available for that product. The actions available will depend on the selected product type as well as the manufacturing license class held by that location. From here, eligible inventory can be used to begin processing such as creating, extracting, infusing, or packaging products. Next, we'll go to the Transfers tab. The Transfers screens can be accessed two different ways. You can access within the inventory room by clicking the orange Transfers button, or you can go back to the inventory rooms list and click the Transfers tab. From here, you can review transfer activity, track manifest status, and open a manifest to view additional details. You can also create a new manifest by clicking the orange Create Manifest button. Lastly, we'll navigate to the Archive tab. The Archive provides access to inventory records that are no longer active. From here, you can search and review archived items. To access an archive record, just click the inventory ID. From the Archive Inventory Item Details, you'll have the ability to restore eligible items when needed.